Today, I am going to share 2 tips to go viral on TikTok in 2026. First, how to create content that stops scrolling. And second, how to boost your engagement using TT Boost. Let's start with tip number 1. If your video doesn't grab attention in the first 2 seconds, people scroll. And if people scroll, TikTok won't push your video. So always start with a strong hook like, wait, don't scroll. This will help your TikTok grow fast. And one more thing, make your videos loop smoothly.
So people watch them again without even realizing. That's how you increase watch time and go viral. But here's the truth. Even good content sometimes doesn't perform because it doesn't get enough initial engagement. That's where tip number 2 comes in. I use an app called TT Boost. It helps boost your TikTok using real user engagement.
First, install the app and open it. Then copy your TikTok username and paste it here. Now your account is ready.
I follow this profile and come back to the app. Wow, I just received 5 coins. I repeat this process again and keep collecting coins.
A few moments later.
Now I have collected over 200 coins. I use these coins to order real TikTok followers. There are a lot of packages available here. I'm going to order 10 TikTok followers to see if it really works. See, I have only 6 followers. My order is submitted successfully. Now I will wait a few minutes. My order is completed. So here's the real strategy. Use strong content to keep people watching and use TT Boost to boost your engagement. This combination helps TikTok push your videos to more people. You also have a great option to get free coins. Just refer your friends and get 200 coins instantly.
So if you're serious about growing on TikTok and want more views and followers, this is a simple method you can start today.
Try it out, stay consistent, and you'll see the difference. Link is in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.